So same thing I just told him that you have lots of cords. If until and unless you will not take this cord out of your energy body, your body will not start working properly. And if your body will not work properly, then you won't be able to live your life normally. And there won't be a proper and permanent cure. Like generally, have you heard about this? If something happened like diabetes, in case of high blood pressure, stroke, what doctor says, you have to take medicine for the rest of the life. Yes or no? Yes. I'm giving you my practical example. Again, mine, not anybody else. Mine. What we have. My father got stroke around 2 years back. What you will do in your case? Tell me. What if somebody will have stroke, trigger stroke? When what should be done? Say.
Consult to the specialist.
Sorry. Go.
Go to the hospital and get connected to some specialist.
That's correct. That's correct. We immediately call an ambulance and then we take the patient to the hospital. In case of mine, what I did, I love my father very much. What I did, I saw that his body is collapsing. I was standing there. Then he was talking normally, then suddenly he started talking very abruptly and he was not able to talk properly. Everybody got shocked and my like sisters and all, they started shouting, then start crying and all those things because suddenly something was happening unexpected. I started healing there. I did not take him to the hospital. I did not call any ambulance. I started his healing. I did his healing. I took him to the doctor after 10 days. Just I wanted to know that if there is any kind of damage in his brain. Then the doctor asked me that, okay, where did you take him when it happened, when the trigger happened? I said, I did not take him anywhere. I did his healing. Then he was laughing, he was smiling. He said, if you don't want to say, then don't say. But these are the medicine he has to take, he needs to take for the rest of his life. And he, in the X-ray report, he showed me that, okay, this specific area is damaged. I said, okay. I went to the pharmacy. I took medicine. I said, give me the medicine for 4 to 5 days. Then that person, he was smiling and he said, you know what? Take medicine for 1 month. These medicines will be there for the rest of his life. Why you take 4 or 5 days medicine? I said, you give me 4 or 5 days only. I took the medicine for 4 or 5 days to be on safe side. I started his healing. In my whole locality, everybody said, then there will be second attack. It happens. 95-98% cases, it happens when somebody has stroke, then the reverse stroke is also there. It get back. Okay, it happens in most of the cases. Doctor also says that it can happen. You have to follow all these things, all these routines and everything. I said, okay. I came back home. I started doing his healing. I did his healing. And he took medicine 2 days or 3 days. My father, I said, okay, take it 2 to 3 days. Then medicine stops. It's been 2 years. He's not taking any medicines. He's not maintaining anything. He's living his life the way he wants, and he does not do anything whatever the doctor said. This is the power of healing. I was telling you the power of healing. I'm very practical. You tell me that this is the celebrity, he's world renowned and he's saying something like that, I will not believe. Why? I believe energy work. You tell me something, I validate it. I see it practically. I utilize it. I see the difference. I admit it. Yes, it works. If I cannot see the result, I will not admit it, no matter who that celebrity is. The same thing I want from all of you. You do not have to believe me just because I'm saying. Do it practically. See the result. Result will satisfy you. Result will clarify your doubts. You get it? So this is what confidence I have. And the same kind of confidence you can also have. Stop all kind of medicine. Every time people come, this is no, these are the medicine. I say forget about medicine. Start living your life in a different way. Who was saying something? Bye.